Hi everyone, welcome to the last video of week 3, moving right along into chapter 13.3, which is area of circles. So far this week we've been working with the perimeters of circles, semicircles, and composite figures. Today we'll be talking about the area of circles and semicircles. So we're talking about the measurement of the inside of a circle, so all of this. Okay, so there's another formula that you'll have to memorize to find the area of a circle. And the area of a circle is A, capital A, equals pi times the radius squared. So you will need the radius when solving these problems. So just to show you how that works, in the example 1, we have a circle that shows us the radius of 7 centimeters. So we're ready to go with that. So it's always a good idea to write down the formula each time you do the problem, because that will be a good way to make it stick. Alright, so A equals 3.14 times 7 squared, which makes that 3.14 times 49. Remember, when we square a number, you are multiplying that number by itself. It is not 7 times 2, it is 7 times 7. So 3.14 times 49, my area equals 153.86 centimeters. It's as simple as that. You're just plugging in the numbers that you know. Here's another example. It gives us the diameter in this case, so we will have to find the radius, which, if you recall from this week, to find the radius, you would take the diameter and divide it by 2. So 26 divided by 2 would be 13. So my radius is 13. So now I can go ahead and plug it into the formula of pi r squared. And I get 3.14 times 13 squared. And this would be 3.14 times 13 squared, which is 169, which will make my area 530.66. And my unit is inches. And that is it. In example 2, finding the area of semicircles, I would hope that you could guess that we're just going to take this formula and divide it by 2, because you're just taking the area of half of the circle. So to find the area of a semicircle, it would be pi r squared divided by 2. They're giving us the dimension here of the diameter, so we need to make that the radius. 30 divided by 2 would be 15. So that is the radius, and I'm just going to plug it in once again. 3.14 times 15 squared divided by 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and see 15 squared is 225 times 3.14. I get 706.5 divided by 2. And that equals 353.25 feet. Please don't forget your units. So important. Alright, and that's it for today's lesson. Today's assignment that goes along with this is something different. Get you away from the textbook, get you away from IXL. It's a little activity that I found where you're just answering different task cards on area of circles and semicircles. So you will have your own separate assignment for this. You just put your answers right onto the digital slides and then submit it when you are finished. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Enjoy the rest of your week. Thanks, guys.